We are partners with Mimaki from almost 3 decades.
At least 20 years.
More than 20 years now.
Share what is happening in different markets is always an opportunity to implement some of the, I would not say tricks, but at least some of the experience that they have from different countries and apply it in our own country.
So we learned a lot from them as well. Really interesting actually. Great to hear the success stories.
Which always make an advantage because then you can share this with your customers and give them some benefits.
And the customer is happy. And at the end of the day, that's the main thing.
For us, Mimaki, it's absolutely important, not only because of the direct business that generates for us, but also the business that allowed us as Distributors to do.
Together with Mimaki, definitely we'll go much more further in the market.